Second. All right. Waiting room. Obadde obadde meeting. It is off.
Okay.
It is off. Yes, all right. Kakati, without wasting time and sharing a screen, let me look at the participants here. Mani, when people attend the lesson, these people who attend lessons, even if they ask you questions, there is no problem. Kakati, genda kutunulira strategy setting. Strategy setting getugenda okutunulira yeya super start small win big strategy. Ngende maaso n'okuba nga sharing a screen. Emikono nabudde. Let me share screen. Let me share screen. Emikono nabudde. All right. Okay. Tubanga tuset nabagamba no kati tetusoma how to set a signal or how to set a strategy. Wabula tusoma how to save it, how to save a strategy. So what setting a strategy tugenda otunulirwa leero yeya super. Yeya super start small. Super start small. Super start small win big strategy. Strategy eno nnungi nnyo. Kwaba abantu abagamba process. For me, I have $400. I have $400, but when the market, I have $400, but when I enter the market, I make less. I make less than $10. I make less than $10. Maybe I make $5. I give for $4. Why? Because maybe you enter the coin, and instead of this coin going up, instead of this coin going down to buy the margin calls to put all the $400 in the market, it only uses around $450. It can use around 100 or 150, and it brings less profit. So to avoid this, getting less profits, we take use of the super start small. Super start small. Super start small and what we call this, so to exposing 15% of our capital, nga first buying amount. 15% of our capital nga first buying amount. Let me give you an example. HBuy is going high. Let me give you an example. Sorry. Let me give you an example. Singo omuntu senga abera ne dollars. Superstar small eno yandibadde nnungi ku muntu ng'olina $100 plus. 100 plus. 100, 400, 100 and above. $1,000 is good for this strategy. Abantu abakozesa $1,000 mukikolabyeko. Abantu abalina $2,000 mukirabyeko. It is good. Nti okola otya. You expose 15% of your capital. For example, your capital is for example, $100. Somebody is having $200. Another one is having $400. Umulala ina $500. You just expose 15%. You just multiply your capital by 15%. Kyofuna, yegenda okubeera first buying amount. 15% times 15%. Kyofuna, yegenda okubeera 500. Yegenda okubeera first buying amount. Kyofuna, yegenda okubeera first buying amount. All right, let's put it under. Let's put it here. You come to your home page and tap on mine. After tapping on mine, you scroll down. You scroll down here, and you go ahead to tap on the strategy setting. Strategy setting. Tap on it. Tap on the strategy setting, and it will select. If you have already set a strategy, you will find your strategies here. If you have already set a strategy, ojja kulaba strategies zo nga ziri wano. Nga bw'olabawo ezange zizino wano. Zona ziri wano. Zona strategies. I set strategies according to different capital. So, zino strategy, olumu nzisettinga wano because tujja ne tuzisomerako. Kati gwatana kusettinga strategy, Royal Chuyo ng'oli mupya ogidownloadinze leero wano wajja kubawo kigambo add it now. Ojja genda maaso n'okikwatamu add it now. Wabula gwe already nga wasettingamu dda strategies endala nga nze wano ojja kubeera ne ka plus sign ogenda maaso n'okuba ng'onyiga. So nange genda nkwate mu kano ka plus sign. Bwe naakakwatamu bwe nti ejja kubikkula wano ngende maaso n'okuteekamu strategy. Strategy eno kye tuyita strategy setting bye biragiro bye tuwa robot eno ebigoberere. For example so kubanga nyina $500 kati wotuuka kati wotuuka tugeze otuuse wano wano risk type gireke mu steady nga bweri gireke mu steady ogende wano mu remark wotuuka wano ku remark owandikawo erinnya lya strategy super start small lwaki olina okuwandikawo erinnya because there are very many strategies. Super start small, win big strategy. Super start small, win big strategy. Super start small, win big strategy. Cut super start small, win big strategy of how much capital? How much capital are you using? So you name the strategy according to the what? You name your strategy according to the capital. For example, I have $500. Yesterday I set in 1,000. Let me take that one of $500 today. 500 USDT. 500 USDT. First buying amount. For you to get the first buy amount, we said you calculate 15%. Calculate 15% of your capital. And because of this and this, you get 15 multiplied by 5. And what you get is what you put as your first buying amount. All right. So you can go ahead to your calculator. You can go to your calculator right now. You tap here. No quarter, no calculator. And you say 15% multiplied by $500. So you will get 75. You will get $75. So $75 again to first buying amount here. The first buying amount is going to be $75. We're going to get $75. We have $500. Now, before $500, $500, tujeko $75. What is your balance? Go back to your calculator. Don't disturb yourself. Go back to the calculator and you say, go back to your calculator and say 500 minus 75. What do you get? I get 425. Now, somebody was telling me, proceed. Where do I get? My first buying amount is 75. My first buying amount is 75. Where do I put the second first buying amount? First buying amount to Gambia, it is 75. 75 is the first buying amount. When you get our total capital of 500 minus 75 of the first buy amount, our balance is gonna be $425. $425. Kat $425 jagala soke webuze oyagala kuguzisa sente meka mu margin calls tuli fena. Are we together?
Yeah.
All right. I go ahead if we are together. Kakati, first buying amount here is 75. Oyagala kozesa sente meka. Oyagala kozesa sente meka mu margin calls per margin call. If you want, how many margin calls do you want to buy? All right. Or what is your percentage drop? Ebyo yina byebuuliza wano. Kati oyagala kukozesa margin calls meka oba oyagala gusa sente meka ku buli margin call. For example, oyagala gusa $10. If I'm going to use $10, it means I have to get 42 margin calls. Onkitegedde? Twagala roboti yaffe weyingira bweti akatale. Twagala roboti yaffe weyingira bweti akatale. eteekemu $75. Bw'omala oteekamu $75, tugenda okugenda ne tucalculatinga margin calls zigenda kubeera mmeka. Margin calls zino zigenda kusinziira ku ssente z'ogenda oziguzisa. Buli margin call ogenda giguzisa ssente mmeka. Bw'obanga buli margin call ogenda giguzisa $10, then you will have 42 margin calls. Bw'obanga buli margin call ogenda giguzisa $5, then things will change. You will just divide by 5. Things will change and you will just, instead of dividing by 10, or you will just divide by 5. You divide by 5. What do you get? You get 85. So if you're gonna use 85, if you're gonna use 5, you're gonna get 85 margin calls. If you're gonna use 10, you're gonna get 42 margin calls. You understand? But what should we use? Let's use 10 and we take 42 margin calls. So come back here, where there is a margin call limit, put 42. Have you the margin call limit? Margin call limit kitegeeza number of margin calls. Margin call limit kitegeeza number of margin calls. Open position double DNO, we turn it off. Why? Because it doubles your capital, and your capital should not be doubled because it is small. You have only $1,000. All right. AI margin call en jirekeko. Leave it on. Why? You've exposed 15% of your capital as first buying amount. So leave it there. It's all right. Come here to the follow position, take a profit ratio. How much, which percentage are you targeting on this coin you're gonna trade? So let me target a 3%, or I can put a 3.1 to cater for the fuel fee. Follow position, take a profit call back. Follow position, take profit call back. Follow position, take profit call back, put it 0.01. Follow position, take profit call back. Now, follow position, take profit call back 0.01. Let's go back to the buying call back. The buying call back should be a 0.1. Buying call back should be a 0.1. Tap on the margin configuration. What does margin configuration mean? Margin configuration. Now, robot tujiwadde instruction nti weba yingira akatale eyingize $75. That's one. Let it buy 42 margin calls. All right? Naye tetugibuulidde wamale kubaawo kyeryoka egule. Coin eno gye trading esooke ekugwa by which percentage eryoka egule. Kyetugenda okusettinga kyetuyita margin configuration. Era egula emirundi emeka singa ebeera droppings kyetuyita margin configuration. We go ahead. Come here. Before you put anything here, now come back here. Let me take you back here. We've used the 42 margin calls. We've used the 42 margin calls. As you trade, just know that your coin can dip to -30. This coin can go as deep as -30. All right? This coin can go as deep as 40% if the market goes down. So what do you do? What you do, you say, my coin can go down by 40%. Or my coin can go down by 30%. Then that's where we calculate that drop. For example, if my coin can dip up to 30%, my coin can dip up to 30%. 30%. How many margin calls am I going to use? How many margin calls am I going to buy? Remember, each margin call has a percentage drop. So you say 30, you divide it by 30, you divide it by 42. But remember, yes, let's go by 42. Let me give you an example. Now you will see that each margin call will take a 0.7. 0.7. For example, I can say my coin can drop up to 40%. So it will be 40 divided by 4.2. Sorry, 40 divided by 42. You understand? What you get is what you put under each margin call. I can still say, no, this coin, now the market is good. The coin can go down by 15%. I'm just giving you examples. Calculating a percentage drop. So I can say the percentage drop is 15. 15% divided by 40 to my margin calls. What I get is what I put under each margin call. But before you do that, put in consideration nti buli wobeera ng'otradinga robot eno margin calls zino ezisooka zino egenda zitunda omulundi gumu. It will buy them once and sell them once. Egenda zigula at different prices, but ejja zitundira mu holoware. That's why ojja kusanga nga zo tuziteekako margins ntono, tuziteekako drops ntono. Tuteekako 0.2, ne tuteekako 0.2, 0.3, ne tuteekako 0.4, ne tuteekako 0.4, ne tuteekako wano tujja tuteekawo 0.5. Lwaki? Twagala roboti yaffe bw'eba egula zino margin calls eyanguwa okuzigula sente ziteeke mu katale. Lwaki? After all, they will be sold once. They will be sold once. They will be sold once. Kati, that's where you get a question. Proceed. You see, my coin is not selling anything. And it is in the sub-minimal real time settlement. Proceed, I set it in the sub-minimal real time settlement. But it is not selling anything since I started. Then you tell this person, how many margin calls does it have? It has 2 margin calls. It has bought so far 2 margin calls, but it is not selling. It is not selling because the first 4 margin calls are in the whole warehouse mode. They are in the whole ware. These 4 margin calls, they are in the whole ware. They have to be sold once. Ate robot yo yaguzeeko bbiri kitegeeza ekyabula endala bbiri ez'okugula zonna za whole warehouse mode. Give me one in the chat oba okitegedde. Mpa one in the chat. Give me one in the chat if you have understood that. Give me one in the chat. Give me one in the chat oba ng'ekyo kitegedde. If your coin is not selling, your coin is not selling, the coin is not selling. And it has 3 margin calls. The coin is not selling and it has 4 margin calls. It is normal. Why? Because the first 4 margin calls are in the sub-minimal real time. Yes, the coin is in the sub-minimal real time settlement, but the 4 margin calls should be sold once, and your coin has just bought 2. So you have the remaining 2 for it to go under the sub sales. Give me one in the chat. It means some people have not understood. I just see very few ones in the chat. Give me one in the chat. Let me go back and explain. It means people have not understood. Now, give me 2 if you have not understood. Give me 2 in the chat if you have not understood. Tap under the chat and type 2. If you have not understood, type 2 in the chat. Type 2 in the chat if you have not understood. If you have understood, type 1. We are 20. We are 20 here. If you don't understand, just raise up the hand. Put the hand up, tap under reactions and put up the hand if you have not understood. Put it to, if you are not understanding where we are, process, I'm not understanding anything since you have just started, raise up the arm, put the arm up. If you have understood, type 1. If you have not understood, type 2. It means, what's happening here? Am I audible? Mr. Matov, am I audible enough?
Yeah, we hear you.
Yes, yes.
Olikiria, madam.
And I've said, if you have understood, type 1 in the chat. If you have not understood, type 2. If you are not understanding, raise up the arm. I want the reaction such that I move on. Because if the class is having 20 people and I see 3 people responding, it means if the people have not understood. People are laughing at me. I want reactions. If you have understood, type 1. If you have not understood, type 2. If you don't know even where are you, raise up the arm. Ulizi nsaba osomese mu Luganda simanyi Luzungu. Okay, kati ngenda kusomesa mu Luganda. Kanzireyo nsomese mu Luganda. Eba nani. Naye muyizo ono, naye muyizo aba ategedde atya nti n'omusomesa ayogera Luzungu. So muyizi nga ategedde atya nti n'omusomesa ayogera Luzungu ate ng'Oluzungu taluma. Anyway, kangende maaso. Somesa ayinza okubanga ngambye roboti tuli mu kusettinga roboti buli obeera ng'ogenda okutradinga kigenda kwetaagisa strategy set tugenda kwetagisa strategy setting kwata mu plus site yo ogulawo robot yo ku homepage n'okwata mu kagambo mine waneno okwata mu kagambo mine n'okwata mu strategy setting tugenda kuwa robot eno ebiragiro byegenda okugoberera trading ekole buy and sell orders for tutali kubanga kati ono mukozi kwata mu plus sign waggulu bwe yakatandika era oneminga strategy yo gena gina eminga otya nti start small win big strategy $500 twakozeseza $500 twakozeseza ne tugamba tutuuka wano capital waffe abeera 15% of the first buy of the capital. So 15% of 500 twacalculate ngeri 75. We don't delay there. Netugenda maso netugamba akapesa kano aka open position doubled genda maso nokubanga okajjako open position doubled genda maso nokubanga okajjako kubanga capital after doublinga AI margin call girekeeko kubanga you have exposed the most of your capital nga first buying amount. Netugamba tugende tucalculate nge margin calls netugamba tugenda kozesa 10 netugamba wano ku margin call limit netugamba kitegeeza emiwendo robot gyegenda oggula. So margin call limit netuteekawo 42, isn't it? Bwenzijukira netugenda wano ukola position take a profit ratio netugamba egenda kubeera 3.1%. Ate netugenda maaso nogamba whole position take a profit call back egenda kubeera 0.01 netukirira wansi netugamba buying call back ejja kubeera 0.1. Ezo parameters tuziteekamu nga bwe ziri naye netugamba robot eno tugiwadde ebiragiro ti bwe bayingira mu katale kwese $7.5 ate koyini bweddamu neegwe ekozesa emmeka tetunnaba kugiragira so kye tugenda okugiragira ye ate wamale kubaawo kyeryoka egule ekye tugenda okulagira wano margin configuration netujja wano netugamba margin configuration nkomye nga mbannyonnyola ne mbagamba nti robot yo bw'oba ogisetinga margin calls zino ezisooka ennya egenda kuzikula ku bbeeyi ey'enjawulo buli bwe zidropinga okusinziira ku drop gy'obeera otaddewo wabula bwetuuka okuzitunda ejja kuzitunda wamu zonna ejja zitunda as a whole zino ezisooka wano egenda zitunda as a whole bwe zitunda as a whole ki ekigenda okubeerawo nti robot yo ojja gisanga ng'erina margin calls 3 nga ze yaguze kati gwe nojja wa process no complaining nga process wagambe no sub-bin mode your time settlement etusobola okukola amagoba on a daily basis. Why is my coin not selling? Lwaki coin yange tetunda? Lwaki tetunda? Ate nga nagitadde mu sub-bin mode your time settlement. Nombuuza margin calls eyina meka nagambe eyina margin calls 3. It is okay for it not to sell. Lwaki? Kubanga zino ezisooka ennya ezitunda as a whole kyembadde nnyonnyola kandabo baba bategedde kati bategedde
kyemmanyi. Banviiremu ko wali emabega tegedde.
Wa
wali ku page eri endala.
Page ki? Wano?
Awo yennyini awo.
Wawo otategedde 75.
Awo ku 42 awo wato.
42 tugifunye tutya? Twagambye tulina capital wa $500. Exposing 15% nga first buying amount. Eno tugisala neeno. 15 multiplied by 5 netufuna 75 yeno gye twatadde wano. Netugamba tusigazizaawo mmeka? Netugamba 500 netwawulako 75. Netusigazizaawo mmeka? 425. 425 ye capital asigaddewo. Agenda ludda mu margin calls. Margin calls zigenda kubeera mmeka? Netugamba margin calls tucalculate atya. Netugamba tuddira percentage ki? Netugamba tuddira capital gwe tulina asigaddewo ono. Netudividingamu wali agadde coin yo bwetuuka mu margin calls ng'eyingiza 75. Naye bw'otuuka mu margin calls egenda kozesa ki? Ekozese $10 buli margin call. So buli margin call egenda gigula sente meka? Buli margin call egenda gigula sente meka? So you get 425 divided by 10. Ekitegedde 425 divided by 10. Kati wano kigenderwa ki kyofuna wano? 400. Sorry, nenda ku wano. Tuddeko wano calculator. 400. Tusigaza capital wa 425. Tusigaza capital wa 400. Tusigaza $425 ze tusigazizaawo. Naye twagala buli margin call robot yaffe webeegula egigulenga egikozesa $10. Kitegeeza tugenda funa margin calls zimeka? Tugenda funa margin calls 42. 42 margin calls zetugenda okufuna. So 42 margin calls jangu ali margin call limit ne tuteekawo 42. Okitegedde? Kakano tutaddewo 42. Tulagidde robot eno egulenge ekozesa 42. Naye tetugiragidde bamale kubaawo ki. Kakati wano tutuuse tugenda okulagira. Are we together? Give me one in the chat if we are together. Obudde bukutte ate embeera njagala mugende mweri lesson ya Luganda. All right. Kati kangende maaso sigenda kuwonoona budde. Ne tugamba wano configuration. Zino margin calls ezisooka zino. Ziteekeko 0.2, ewaddako teekawo 0.3, it is okay. Ewaddako wano teekawo 0.4, 0.4, it is okay. Ate ne wano ewaddako teekawo 0.5, it is okay. Lwaki? Zino margin calls robot ejja zigula omulundi gumu era ezitunda omulundi gumu. Wabula tugambye bw'otunuulira that bell ekugamba genda mu kirasi ya 7:30. Bw'otunuulira percentage drop eno tugibalira ku ki? Ekitegeera percentage drop eno tugibalira ku ki? Percentage drop eno tugibala nti coin yaffe, this coin can go down by 30%. So beera ngira going down by 30%, ne tudividingamu meka? Ne tudividingamu by 42 margin calls zegenda ogula. Kitegeeza buli wamu ngenda kuteekawo 0.7. Alright? Wamu ngenda kuteekawo 0.7. Bw'olaba nga akatale kagenda wansi nnyo nga bwe kaabadde luli, you can even here put 80 and you get 80 divided by what? You get 80, you nofuna 80 eyo nogidividingamu by 42. What you get nogiteeka mu margin calls. Kubanga mu kaseera ako nga katale kadipinga nnyo walabye nti nno even if you could put a 3% drop, robot ebadde giyitamu e 2.5 ebadde giyitamu nesigala ng'ekola ki? Nesigala ng'ekirira. Kakati nesigala ng'ekola ki? Nesigala ng'ekirira. Kakati tujje wano. Kati wano bw'olaba nga katale kalungi nga kati bwe katandise okuba, it is okay. Wano jangu oteekewo 0.5. If the market is good like now, you put 0.5. It is okay. It is a standard. It can be bought, it can be sold. Wona teekawo 0.5. Wona teekawo ki? 0.5. Kakati awo sigenda kununirawo budde, teekawo 0.5 paka wansi. Kati ngenze ku muntu abadde ambuuza process second buying amount tugiteekawa. Robot yo wemala okugula omulundi ogusooka ekuwa notification. Bwemala okuwa notification, okomawo. Osobola okomawo ku robot yo n'okyusa first buying amount gye wataddeko ya 75 n'ogikyusa. Kakati n'okomawo n'oteekawo 10. Wabula oba toyagala kukyusa, you don't waste time. You just come to your calculator. N'ogamba okomawo ku wano calculator yo wano. Nyanguwako njagala basendinga mu kirasi ya 7:30. Okomawo ku wano ku calculator yo. N'ogamba robot yange yaguze ngekozesa 75. Robot yange yaguze ngekozesa 75 mu kusooka, yakozesa 75. Ate kati webeddamu ogula njagala ekozesa $10. Kakati naye saagala kukyusa, saagala koma kukyusa 75 nga first buying amount yange, saagala koma kugikyusa. Ngenda kukola ntya? Ngenda kuddira omuwendo gwe njagala egule, omuwendo gwe njagala eguzise nga second buying amount egwa 10, dividingemu first buying amount ya 75. Kyenfuna kyengenda okuteeka mu number of times. Kino kyenfunye wano. Kyengenda okuteeka mu number of times nkijjeewa. Njagala robot yange bw'eba eyingira akatale ekozesa 75. Wabula bw'eba egula margin calls ekozesa 10. Njagala robot yange eba egenda okuyingira akatale ekozesa $75. Wabula mu margin calls njagala eguzise $10. Wabula saagala kuddayo kukyusa. Nja kuba sirina budde bukomawo ku robot. Kiki kye ngenda okukola? Ngenda kuddira eno 10 gye njagala ekuse omulundi ogwokubiri. Ngidividingemu ne 75 gye nasoose nayo. Omuwendo gwenfuna wano gwengenda oteeka mu number of times. Lwaki ngenda kikola bwe ntyo? Robot yange eno eri sensitive. Bw'enaatuuka wano, bw'enaatuuka mu number of times wano, yo for example nfunye answer yange ebadde 0.133. 0.13 kati 1. Wano jangu oteekewo 0.133. 0.13. Put it one decimal places. 0.13. Jangu wano ewaddako. Teekawo 0.13. Teekawo wano jangu wano ewaddako. Teekawo 0.13. Jangu wano ewaddako. 0.13. Jangu ewaddako. Kitegeeza ki? Robot buli weetuuka wano 0.13. 0.13. Era zino parameters zisettingemu bulungi. 0.13. 0.13. 0.13 wano point 0.13 0.13 nyangu wano ziwandike mu bulungi 0.13 wano 0.13 nyangu wano 0.13 nyangu wano 0.13 nyangu wano 0.13 don't get tired 0.13 it should be 3 nyangu wano 0.13 kati yo roboti yange buli wenatuuka wano ejja kukwata kyentadde wano ekikubiseemu by the first by amount of 75 kyenafuna kyejjogulisa 0.13 because lwakisagala komawo kukyusa I don't have time olumu market ebeera ne volatility osanga roboti yaguze dda ofigitinga komawo kukyusa yo yaguze dda yeyongeddeyo so make sure nti ojja wano n'okolaki no setting omulundi gumu set once kino kiri possible ku muntu yekka akozesa Android gwakozesa iPhone iPhone yabivaako ebyo tebikkiriza bineeno kati awa iPhone okola otya owa iPhone it is a point owa iPhone olina okumakinga sure nti you go back and change 0.13 but it is good to change lwaki nti wano AI obeera wagireseeko it monitors the market AI ebeera wagireseeko it is easy to go back and what and change it is easy to go back and 0.13 0.13 0.13 0.13 okira ne wano 0.13 akira eno 0.13 kirira wansi 0.13 wano 0.13 kira eno wansi wano wasemba otekewo 0.131 it is a 0.13 teweeganya then wano twagambye teka akatale katengeri gye kali ku ssaawa zino you put a 0.5 there is no problem you put a 0.5 it can easily be bought it can be easily be sold it can easily be bought it can easily be sold but bino betu setting ase byenkomeredde you can adjust tusobola okusettinga bati ne wajjawo fundamentals wajjawo amawulire amabi wajjawo amawulire crashes come back here komawo okyuseemu watadde 0.5 take a 1.5 it is okay this is your robot this is your worker give it instructions your instructions zeyagala 0.5 0.5 0.5 0.5 0.5 0.5 0.5 0.5 0.5 0.5 0.5 here here 0.5 here come back here 0.5 come back here 0.5 sorry 0.5 0.5 yangu wano gitekemu point this is 0.5 all right it is also 0.5 it is 0.5 even here point the first one is 0.2 0.2 this one is 0.3 0.3 this one is 0.4 0.4 others are 0.5 go ahead to sure tap on sure and tap on save and the strategy will save itself here strategy egenda ku savinga one bwekyo kati bw'otunulira ku strategy yange wano waliwo akagambo cycle naye njagala ebeere mu one shot how do I edit my strategy come back and tap on this pencil komawo tappinga mu pencil eno egenda kweggula yeereete so strategy eno bwe yeereeta bweti waliwo akagambo strategy period akagambo strategy period kakano wano wansi waliwo ekigambo cycle so jangu wano kikwatemu ekigambo kifuuke one shot ddamu onyige save so ogenda kola nti no ekyuka ekomawo neyesavinga nga walibaddewo cycle kati waliwo short one short alright bwetyo wetusavinga strategy akati strategy yo girondo otya bakuwadde sigino bakuwadde ki bakuwadde sigino strategy yo girondo etya sigino ezze sigino ekoze ki sigino ezze tuli ku home page tuli ku home page sigino girondo otya bagireese ogirondo totandika otya kyogenda okutandika nakyo bwe kujja wano mu search bar. Search bar ogiraba jangu ogikwatemu. Jangu ogikwatemu. For example, bakuwadde coin XRP this time. XRP is hot. XRP. Gwe wena ali wano nga tojja ku live ya kiro, you are missing a lot. XRP gikwatemu. Omala ogikwatamu bw'oti. Gikwatemu XRP. Omala ogikwatamu gamba create wansi. Martingale strategy bot, make sure it is selected here. Make sure o selecting a martingale strategy bot eno. Ate nogenda maaso n'ogamba create. So ugamba create igenda kuleeta kweno page. Toba kwala wonna wokwata duka misinde wansi wano waliwo ekigambo trade setting kyoba okwatamu. So omala okikwatamu bot ejja kuleeta kweno page. Making sure wano waliwo pesa obiri smart create gwerondako manually create. So choosing a manually create, it is chosen. Umalo choosing a manually create, wano waliwo ekigambo my template, choose a strategy setting. Wano ogenda okulondera strategy yo eri gye wasetinzeemu. So jangu okwatewo wano, omala okukwatawo strategy yo ojja kugiraba yeeno wano. Strategy yo yino wagisavinze wano. Ogiraba strategy yeeno wano wasavinze. Kakati okugendamu either osobola okukwata mu 75 oba mu 42 oba mu 3.1 yo ojja kweteekamu automatically. So kwata mu 42 wonna wokwata ejja kweteekamu ki automatically. Wemala okweteekamu automatically ogenda kukyusa ki first buying amount yo gijjukire wakozesezza mmeka. Ekiriwo kisangulewo teekawo 75, it was your first buying amount. Alright, edit the first buying amount to that. Then omala ogambe wansi save. Alright, edit the first buying amount. Those are mulaba steps zetutute. Tukute mu strategy setting, tukute mu trade setting wansi, manually create, choose a strategy setting, edit the first buying amount. Awo abantu abasinga wasumbulira nga ngambe return. Bw'otuuka kweno page eno XRP ogikuttemu ogambye create ejja kuleeta kweno page. Jangu mu trade setting wano. Mu trade setting woyina okujja wano wansi. Mu trade setting woyina okukwata. Kwata mu trade setting. Kati kwata mu trade setting. Bukwata mu trade setting. Kwata mu trade setting wano wansi yino wano. Trade setting. Bukwata mu trade setting wano. Ejja kuleeta wano. Kwata mu manually create. Choose a strategy setting. Londa strategy yo gye wasavinzemu ojja kwesavingamu. Bwemala okwesavingamu, bwemala ogikwatamu bw'oti edit the first buying amount. Ezo ze steps zokka. Trade setting, manually create, choose a strategy setting, edit the first buying amount. Zokka steps 4. Awo abantu abasinga we babulira. Naddala bakayingira business awo wabulira. Watuuka wano mu trade setting abatamanyi kiddako. Omala trade setting n'ogikwatamu, manually create, choose a strategy setting, edit the first buying amount. Kiba kiwedde. Zokka steps zokola zokka zokola. Kira wansi, making sure nga akapesa kano kwekali. Prevent buy if the listing is imminent. Prevent buy. Kati wano waliwo akapesa kano aka advanced settings. Oba wali okosezaako indicator yonna ng'otradinga. Nga wali okosezaako indicator yonna. Kana akapesa kakwatemu. O making sure nti wali first triggering price, there is a trigger price. Obango setting ku trigger price, making sure there is a trigger price. Nalango ingira ku signal, there is a trigger price. So if it is a trigger price, genda maaso n'okuba ng'ogamba save. Ugambe sure. Alright, ogambe ki sure. Kati mugamba sure egenda kuleeta wano. Egenda kuleeta luddawa, egenda kuleeta wano. Nti you activate this. If coin eno webera ng'ebadde ya preset price, ojja kunyiga bunyizi wano activate egendemu automatically. Webera nga yabadde ya preset price, bwebanga XRP eno yabadde ya preset price, ogenda kola ogenda gamba create martingale strategy bot, yine is selected ogambe create, steps ze zimu nga ze twatutte okwate mu trade setting. Bw'omala okwata mu trade setting, manually create wano waggulu, genda mu manually create, choose a strategy setting, edit the first buying amount. Alright, editing the first buying amount, prevent buy if this thing is imminent wansi. So ebyo byonna ng'obimaze obitaddemu byonna strategy yo etuddemu ojja gamba save. Okay, ogambe ogende maaso n'okunyiga ki? Ogende maaso n'okunyiga sure. Kati bw'ogenda maaso n'okunyiga sure eno wano ebiseera ebisinga wano abantu mwerabirawo wano. Kwata sorry. Wano abantu mwerabirawo wano simanyi madamu kawaida waali wano teweerabirawo, making sure nga coin eri mu sub-bin mode yo time settlement. Era kano wano kalabikirawo kakaneno waggulu. Asooke bino mbijjewo. Kaakano wano eno strategy mode gy'otadde wano ne wano yiino. Ogirengera? Coin ye ino okubeera mu sub-bin mode yo time settlement. Okubeera ng'eri mu one shot. Enokubeera ng'eri mu one shot, enokubeera ng'eri mu sub-bin mode real time settlement. Margin call giteekeko. Margin call eno gikole ki? Giteekeko eno. Kubanga open margin call, you open it. Kubanga yegenda okukola ki? Yegenda okutriggaringa margin calls. Coin ngenda gyongera mu sente. Ndaba edipinga. So yegenda okukola ki? Yegenda okuleeta margin calls. So you put it on, you switch it on. Kati switchinga on, ogenda maaso n'ogamba ki? N'ogamba activate one. Onyige wano mu activate. Ugambe I understand. Ejja kweta kati nze ngamba start strategy. Do you want to start the strategy? Okay? Nze njja gamba sure. Because already I'm trading this coin. All right? Gwejja kugamba create bot. Creating ogende maaso n'okwanga ogikola ki? Ng'ogiteekawo. So bwe tukikola. Can I have the questions now? Kanfune ebibuuzo. Woba tolina kibuuzo, nyiga left, ogenda ojoyininga class ya 7:30. Abali mu crypto ambassadors class groups mutuwe signal. Mutuweereze link eyo. Mutuweereze link abali mu groups ezo already, those who are already trading mulimu ezo groups enene. Link eyo mugidropping wano abantu bagende maaso n'okubanga bajoyininga classes ezo. Classes ezo zibeeremu emyezi 3. Wewe emyezi 3 ng'olimu ezo classes. They are international classes. Zibeeremu emyezi 3. Let me get the questions now. If you don't have any question, naddala ng'oli trader, you already trading, just kwata bukwasi mu leaving button, ogenda joining classes ezo, it is okay. Cut. Let me see people that are new. Process munange, you see, you know, you understand, you realize I've not been here for almost 2 years. Now I'm just joining here. Sekatawa. Mr. Sekatawa. Mr. Sekatawa. Yegwe gwe nagambye at 6.
Eyagira eyali activating gundi robot. Ongamba just mberemo mu class.
Mbera mu class. Bade manyi gwe bade nawe yesterday.
Siyenze.
Mufanaganya manya. All right. If you are here, waliwo omuntu ompya yenna, there are no new people here. Why don't these people attend class? Ate ababimanyi be attending. Ate abatabimanyi they don't want to attend class. Mr. Matovo, so stopping a recording again.